Welcome to Pixel guys, happy new year. In this video we are going to unbox Grow Meridian single dual geared 29T mountain cycle, non-gear, dual disc. Okay, so here is the package which I have been ordered from the Flipkart. So this is not any sponsored video. Okay, so here is the box. You can see 29 size. Okay, let's open it. After seeing full box from the outside, then let's see into inside it. Okay, you can see the box condition from the outside looks, packaging. Okay, so this much big box came. Almost all parts are fully fitted. Only few percent we need to fit it as per the Crow cycle company description. So let's see. Use 1.5 speed for most. You can continue 1.5 x speed for smooth and lag free, and also little fast approach if you want. Okay, let's open the box. After removing all tapes, it has been opened. So here you can see the inside the box. Cycle has been kept inside the box. Let's remove it outside and see how it looks. Okay, let us remove it. Here removed from the box. Unboxing has been done. You can see. Let's remove the all wrappers and tapes which are coverings, and assemble it. Okay, almost it is builded. We need to assemble few parts so it will complete the build 100%. So let's remove the covers and install the remaining parts to it. Okay, you can observe the handle. Here you can see the covers. First we need to remove it, so we will remove it slowly and we will install the required materials, parts, step by step. Okay, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe, like, support us. Even if you are old subscriber, like the video and support us. Okay, you can see here the phone number for contacting for any support from them. Okay, this you can see the kit for installation, spanner and swing unit, and here is the instructions related to the installation for installing the pedal. Okay, two pedals are being given. Okay, tightener you can see, and reflectors. Okay, Allen key also given, 3 Allen keys. Okay, you can see the nuts are being used to fit by the Allen key only, mostly given bolts. Okay, by Allen key only we need to loosen or tighten. So here we will cut out the cover and you can see the main body of the cycle. Also we will remove the tags. Okay, you can see Meridian 29. Okay, Crow company, Crow Meridian 29 non-gear mountain cycle. Okay, it's nice looking. Let's install the handle by loosening the bolt by using the Allen key. The installation process requires some time. Video may become lengthy, so for clear vision to the viewers, I kept in 3x speed already while the video editing, and also you experience good in 1.5x speed. Okay, if you want. Okay, before and after looking. Okay, these are the parts. What else we need to install it? This is the box which I have been brought from the Amazon. This is the mud guard which we need to buy from the outside, which means with cycle it will not come, we need to buy additionally, so I bought it from the Amazon. Okay, this part you can see the part clearly. Scenic bicycle fender from the Amazon. Okay, mudguard which is for the cycle we need to buy additionally, so I have been buy from the Amazon, so this is not any sponsor. Okay, Scenic company, I have been bought this from the Amazon. Okay, quality is good, but the screw align is a bit misaligned, but okay, it's all. You can see the overall looking. Let's fit it to the cycle. Fitting we will install seat of the cycle. Hold the nut and move the right side one as shown in the video. Okay, you can see. Now we will keep it the mud guard into it. That is the bender. Okay, you can see here. After inserting into the seat rod and will place into the body of the cycle, and we will tight it. You can see by rotating it. Tightly and close it as shown in this video. Okay, now we need to tight it. So here you can see, here we need to tight it with on adjustment correctly to the tire, and also now we need to set as per the adjustment which suits the tire for protecting from the mud. Okay, so this is the complete unboxing and installation of the Pro Meridian 29T cycle mountain bike gearless. that is non-gear. Okay, so this is the complete video on the crow cycle. Thanks for watching till the end. Like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching till the end. This is the complete